So you're interested in real estate investing, but you're not sure exactly where to start. So this is your cheapest way to get into real estate investing for buy and hold. Check it out. Here we go. And for just meeting, my name is Dauria. I'm a real estate investor for buy and hold income properties. I currently have single family, multifamily, commercial units as well, and I became financially free before 33. The industry standards are 20% down on your first rental property. Now, everybody's different, but how long would it take you to save 20% down on a home payment? It may take many years. For a lot of people, they're going to say, maybe it could be 5 years, could be 10 years, could be whatever. But what about I told you for your first rental property, I have a method that'll get you in at just 3% down. See, all FHA-backed loans, that's, when you go to a regular bank and you're like, I want a loan for a house. Majority of them are going to be what they call Fannie and Freddie-backed loans. These are FHA loans. Basically, what I'm trying to say is they want 3% down. However, they will not do it for rental properties because a rental property requires 20% down because it is not your current homestead residence. Now, quick note, if you're VA, you could get in at 0%. Here's the way to do it. But stop. The most important thing you could ever do for your real estate investing career is to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Come on, guys. If that didn't catch you off guard, I don't know what did. But seriously, your first rental property should be your first house as well. So let me explain. When you're looking for your first house, keep in mind that it's going to be a rental property as soon as 12 months. You might be asking, why is 12 months? What's the 12 months have to do with anything? Because you can go get from a bank, get a federally backed loan that'll allow you to put 3% down on a house that you're going to live in for at least 12 months before you turn it into a rental property. So therefore, you're getting out of the 20% down that you would have paid if it was a dedicated rental property right off the bat. So you're getting a house to stay in for at least 12 months. You're getting only to put down 3% down, and your rate is going to be even better rate because it's a homestead residence. A homestead means you are going to live here. This is your personal property. Your mail comes to this house. This is your house for at least 12 months. And by doing so, you get a lower rate, which in turn will create more cash flow in the future. You get to stay at a place for at least 12 months. My last place I stayed at, I think it was 3 or 4 years before I moved out and took advantage of this. And because you're buying and not renting, you're also offsetting the cost of that 3% down by a little bit of appreciation every year, which comes to about 3 or 4% year annually in the first place. So this is my quick tip of the day of how to get in on a rental property for less than the 20% down and still be cash flowing once you turn it into a rental property in the future. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing if you like this content. I create content weekly just for you and all about real estate investing and personal finance. Until then, see you guys on the next one.